Hi there, I'm Kayla from Broken Oven Baking Company. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite recipes, Samoa Brownies. They are a fudgy brownie with a coconut and chocolate caramel center. And the first thing we're going to do, take the coconut and then add the sweetened condensed milk and the powdered sugar and mix that all together. Now we're going to take the butter, add it to the chocolate, and then microwave it. You can see that the chocolate is pretty much melted at this point. Keep stirring to incorporate the butter and the chocolate. Next, we're going to crack the eggs into this bowl and mix those. Then add the sugar. We're going to keep mixing for a couple minutes. This is important to get that crinkly top on the brownies. Now we can add the chocolate mixture. We're going to mix that in really well. Now you can see the mixture is a bit lighter and thick. Now we're going to take our dry ingredients and fold them into the wet ones. Spread it out so it's nice and smooth and even on the bottom. Then we're going to take the coconut mixture and put it right over that. Alright, now they're ready to bake. We're going to let them cool in the pan until they're sturdy enough to take out.